Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your bonus love reading for the month of August 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Leave the rest. Okay. I have already uploaded your main reading, your extended reading, your general reading, so you can have a look on that too. So let's start today's reading and let's see what are the beautiful messages for my Aquarius all over the world. Okay, let's see. Please give me guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out to deliver the beautiful and important messages for Aquarius for the month of August 2021. What are the messages which are important to deliver? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. Okay, so you have to, maybe you can see these days dragonfly around yourself, and that dragonfly spirit wants to say that you have to live your life to the fullest. Okay, there is dragonfly, live your life to the fullest here, Aquarius. Okay, and there is vacation, take time for relaxation and adventure. Maybe you are working a lot, you have to take a break, take a vacation if you can, and relax yourself. Okay, there is relaxation here and adventure, so a lot of adventure, do some kind of adventure, go on an adventure vacation here, Aquarius. There is competition, someone courage and self-confidence, so you are feeling that I have competition with my own self, and that's beautiful because you have to prove yourself only. Okay, not to others, and that's the only competition you have. You have to become a better version of yourself than before. Okay, then there is dreams, believe in your dreams here, Aquarius. So maybe there is a message while there may be a message while you sleep. When you sleep, there must be some kind of message which is coming through you, okay, through your dreams. So have focus on that too. Okay, please pay attention to that dream here. So maybe you're receiving the messages, or the, yeah, maybe you're receiving the guidance and messages from the universe through dreams. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius for August 2021? Please give me the messages. Any other message? Wow, awesome. There is some kind of wish fulfillment which is going to come true for you, Aquarius, in the month of August. Your wish desire is ready to come true, so that means your wish fulfillment is coming true for the month of August. There is eagle, you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. Okay, maybe you can see a lot of eagles around yourself, or you can see rainbows these days, or the stars. Okay, there is sun, open your heart to the enormous growth ahead. Again, the sun in your main reading, in your extended reading also there was sun, in your main general reading also there was sun. So definitely there is new, big, very positive, happy changes, okay, which are coming towards you. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Okay, this is the beautiful card here in the all tarot. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle deck. Lot of abundance, new happy beginnings are coming for you here, because you are doing the manifestation here. The magician is here, you are doing the magician, you are creating your life, Aquarius. You're doing the manifestation, you are creating it. Okay, please give me the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages? Please give me the messages which are important to deliver here for Aquarius. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let me adjust my cards. Wow. So, Aquarius, right now you have to keep your patience. Okay, keep your patience and strength with you. Okay, maybe right now you are going through with some kind of financial constraint, but do not worry at all. Door to value is going to open up because you are manifesting it. Maybe you're manifesting financial abundance. Okay, you are manifesting financial abundance, you are manifesting love, caring connections, and they are coming here. Maybe right now you are going through with some kind of financial constraint, but do not worry here. Can you see, maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 1331, that's the angel number. Okay, so you are walking away here from anything which don't serve your highest good. 0550 is the recording reading time, and you're choosing the temple path here. This is beautiful. Maybe you're doing your inner work, you're working on yourself, you are working on frequencies, on your raising the vibration, the energy of your frequency. You are healing. Okay, you are paying gratitude, you're putting affirmations, and that's beautiful. And there is someone which is coming for you. This is the twin flame. Okay, this is the yin yang. Maybe you are balancing your masculine and the feminine energy within yourself. There is a balance of energy in yourself too, and when you create the balance of masculine and the feminine inside you, when you come into union with yourself, you get the union with your twin flame too. With there is some caring connection which is coming for you. Some of you, this is your yin yang, your twin flame. Okay, but right now you have to keep your patience. There is 7 chakra, Archangel Uriel. Your crown chakra is getting activated. Now you can get more connected to the universe, the downloads, the upgrades. That's why there was a message here with the dreams. Maybe you're receiving the messages through dreams because your crown chakra is activated here, Aquarius. Okay, there is door to personal healing and happiness which is going to open up for you. Can you see, again the rainbow is here? So a lot of happiness, door of blessings, abundance, the door is opening up for you. There is a journey which is indicated here, Aquarius. Either you are going to travel somewhere or someone is going to come towards you. Okay, and if you are not traveling anywhere, you are starting a new chapter of your life. Okay, a new beginning, a new journey of your life. So this is beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Yeah, this is the time for the seeds you have grown. Okay, this is the reward time. Okay, this is the reward time here. Let's see, what are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Okay. Wow. See, this is, I told you, this is someone who is your yin yang. Okay, twin flame, yin yang. You are dealing with someone who with whom you have spent many past lives together. You both have spent many past lives together here, Aquarius. And keep your strength, keep your courage. I told you, keep your patience with you because you are not losing it. There is definitely a change which is coming for you. Work on your creativity, Aquarius. Work on your creativity. This is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. This is definitely a twin flame for you, Aquarius. And others of you, this is your soulmate. This is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together as soulmate, as twin flame. That's why this is a caring connection which is coming for you. This is beautiful. Let me see any other message. See, traveling is indicated here, Aquarius, again. So yeah, definitely some of you are going to travel somewhere here. And if you are not traveling, to maybe your person is coming towards you, they are traveling. And if you both are not traveling, then you are starting a new chapter, a new journey, okay, of your life here, Aquarius. Okay, there is a breakthrough which is coming for you. There is a breakthrough which is coming for you. Okay, so this is very beautiful here. Very, very beautiful. This is your lovers. The lovers is here. Wow, you are getting a breakthrough. There is someone from your past lives. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the grace cards. Please give me one message. One message for Aquarius. Compassion. See, Oh, I got 3 message. There is partnership. Bottom of the deck, I'm having partnership. God speaks to us through people when we are ambassador of grace for one another. Okay, 10:10 is the recording reading time. Okay, so there is partnership which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is compassion. Be gentle with yourself. You are a magnificent soul. Have compassion for yourself first, Aquarius. Okay, then there is devotion. Stay connected to the divine. Pray, express your gratitude, and ask for help out loud. Make the practice of a devotion a daily habit. So this is beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from fairies. Please give me one message for Aquarius. What is the message here? Please give me one message. See, can you hear the ring? That's the there is a puja aarti going on here at my house. I just said you be devoted. Make a practice of devotion a daily habit. And see, there is the puja, the aarti is going on it at my home. Okay, so thank you for the confirmation. So there is solitude. Think of being alone as a meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet time. So this is very beautiful message from the fairies. And there is inner child. The fairies of playfulness remind you to make time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps you young as heart and do something silly, fun, but stay safe. So ask your inner child that what my soul wants to do today. Never ever lose your inner child. Always be connected to your inner child. And yesterday night only, I have posted a post on inner child that never lose your inner child. Okay, always be alive from inside. Okay, keep your inner child. Do things which your soul wants. You want to play. Okay, let's see what is the message for Aquarius. Please give me the message. See, playfulness. Be playfulness. 1 2 3 4. Okay, there is a lot of wisdom which is coming for you. Becoming wise, wisdom, lot of knowledge and wisdom is coming for you, Aquarius. You becoming graceful, grace. And there is innocence. Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see how beautiful it is? Innocence is here. So you both are someone who is very innocent once. You have definitely spent some past lives together. Okay, follow your intuition. You're becoming more pure. Purity is coming here. Release anything which is not serving your highest good. Okay, and there is a lot of abundance and celebration. Can you see? Abundance and celebrations are coming for you, Aquarius. Be open up to receive. Okay, there is guardian angel who is there with you, who is supporting you here. You are not alone at all. 1331. See, I just told you, you are having lot of maybe you are having a financial constraint of, see, this was the card 1331. 1 minute, I need to take that card too. Where is that card? Sometimes I lost my messages. Okay, where is that card? Oh my god. I lost my card. Okay, where is that? Oh my god. Yeah, here it is. Okay, see, I told you 1331 is the recording reading time, and I just record that thing 1331. There is a guardian angel who is supporting you. Maybe you are going through with financial constraint, but yes, the door to value is going to open up. 1441. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the animal spirits. Please, animal spirits, give me message for Aquarius. What is the message you want me to deliver? Thank you. Wow. There is dog spirit and there is grasshopper spirit. Take a leap of faith and be loyal to what you love. Okay, be loyal to what you love and take a leap of faith. Be the fool and move in a forward direction. 15:15 is the recording reading time. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one healing mantra. What is the healing mantra for Aquarius? One healing mantra. Please give me one healing mantra. Celebrating simplicity. Okay, I am more fulfilled when there is less to manage and maintain. Okay, the more you become simple, the more you will have less things to maintain and manage. Okay, so you will feel fulfillment at that point of time, and that's right. Okay, 1555. See, let's see what is the message from the crystal spirits. Please, crystal spirits, give me the message for Aquarius. What is the message? Please give me one message for Aquarius. Too many. Please give me one message. Please give me one message for Aquarius. Again, too many. No, please give me one message. Okay, they want me to take 2-3 cards. I'll take it, this 3. So the first message for you is bronzite. Okay, this is the first crystal spirit. Then there is Seriphos green quartz. Okay, and there is Apecteus. I hope I pronounce it right. Now let me read it out from the book. Okay, what does that mean? So this is letting go of grief, Apecteus, okay, which says you have letting go of grief, recovering from the past, releasing pain, so old wounds heal. Okay, so when you can use this crystal if you want to let go anything which is there, which you need to let go and release. Okay, release the pain so that you can wound your heal. Okay, and you need to recover from the past. So this is the crystal, you can use it, Aquarius. Okay, then there is bronzite. This is the loyalty, the trust, the steadfastness, self-respect, trusting the conscious universe has always your back. Okay, when you trust that yes, the divine, the universe has always my back. Okay, there is everything which is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, you get aligned with the universe, from you get aligned with the divine. Okay, so this is the message I'm getting here, and you can use this crystal. If you are not able to do that, you can use this crystal and it will help you out in getting aligned. This is Seriphos green quartz, which says life on life terms, joy they weary, and acceptance of our place in the world, heaven on earth, what is meant to be. Okay, so you are right now experiencing exactly as it, you see that your relationships and you with clarity. Okay, because you are being honest about what you can change and what you are not, what you cannot change. You accepting the things as it is. Okay, so this is very beautiful here, Aquarius. Let me add one message from the native spirits. Thank you, native spirits, for giving the beautiful messages for Aquarius. Please give me the message for Aquarius. Peace pipe. Wow. Heal old wounds with people and situations. Carefully do whatever you need to do. Make amends. Forgive yourself and forgive others. It is time. You no longer need to carry the burden. You are a mender. Help others bend bridges in their lives. You bring peace to the world. Okay, be the peace pipe. Everything which is not serving your highest good, forgive anything which hurt. Forgive those persons. Even forgive yourself too for hurting yourself, and for those who has hurt you in the past. Okay, and release any burdens which you are carrying on, still you are carrying on here, Aquarius. Okay, that's very required to move in a forward direction. Okay, then only you can heal yourself completely. The wounds which are there, if you're not healed them, they will come again in any other form. Okay, they will come again and again, and you will not be able to break that cycle. Okay, so that's very important to heal our wounds. Okay, and it will help us to raise our frequency. And the more higher your frequency is, the more higher vibrating frequency people will enter in your life. So that's very important here. Okay, so sending you lots of healing and happy energy to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. This was your reading for the month of August 2021. I hope it will help you out. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Okay, take care and see you soon.